Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and this is the Thermaltake AH-T600 full tower case. The AH-T600 is 628.3mm high, 337mm wide, and 763mm deep. This Apache-inspired open-frame full tower case is constructed using solid steel. On top of this, it comes with two gorgeous 5mm tempered glass hinge panels on the left and right side of the case. This type of glass is more durable and scratch resistant than standard acrylic and ensures that your hardware is visible from every angle. There is also three smaller 3mm tempered glass windows along the front. This case has a fully open frame design, ensuring that airflow within the case moves smoothly and keeps your PC running nice and cool. The AH-T600 has amazing expandability, meaning that your next dream PC build will come together with ease. It supports eATX motherboards up to 10.5 inches wide, as well as a CPU cooler with a max height of 195mm. You can fit a graphics card of up to 440mm in length without a pump, or 300mm with a pump. You can mount up to 3 120mm fans up top or 4 out front. There is an additional vertical mounting location which can house up to 2 120mm fans or even a distro plate. You can fit up to a 480mm radiator along the front and up to a 360mm radiator along the top or on the vertical mount. This case has a highly modular design, meaning you can install your case's components when and as you need them. The AH-T600 has modular panels, racks, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. There is even support for vertical GPU mounting. The case also comes with handy Velcro tie-down points to make cable management a breeze. Storage-wise, you can fit up to 2 HDDs and 3 SSDs. On top of this, your storage is very modular and you can switch and change their mounting locations as per your requirements. Your front I/O panel comes with 2 USB 3.0 and 1 USB 2.0 ports. It also comes with a handy Type-C port or in an easy to access location. So if you're after a case that will stand out in a major way as well as show off all your building skills, this is the perfect case for you. The AH-T600 combines a stunning, unique look with a dismantleable, modular design that will ensure even the most ambitious builds can be pulled off with style. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give us a like and leave any comments or thoughts you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and